Population growth. The size of a population is never constant. It keeps on changing in time. The population density in a given habitat during a given period fluctuates due to changes in four basic processes. They are natality, mortality, immigration, and emigration. Natality. The number of births in a population during a given period. Mortality. The number of deaths in a population during a given period. Immigration. The number of individuals of the same species that have come into the habitat from elsewhere during the time period under consideration. Emigration. The number of individuals of a population who left the habitat and gone elsewhere during the period under consideration. Change in population size is equal to birth plus immigration minus death plus emigration, that is B plus I minus D plus E. If n is the population density at time t, then its density at time t plus 1 is n t plus 1 is equal to n plus B plus I minus D plus E. Population density will increase if B plus I is more than D plus E. Natality and immigration contribute an increase in the population, whereas mortality and emigration cause the decrease in the population. Growth models. When we plot population density over time, we will get a growth model. Population growth model may be of two types: exponential growth, logistic growth. Exponential growth. The availability of resources, that is food and space, are essential for the normal growth of a population. When the resources are unlimited, each species has the ability to grow rapidly. This is exponential growth. In exponential growth, when the resources are unlimited, if the population density is plotted over time, we will get a J-shaped curve. Logistic growth. In nature, exponential growth is very rare due to lack of unlimited resources. So, competition occurs between individuals for limited resources. Eventually, the fittest individual will survive and reproduce. If the resources are limited in a habitat, the population shows a lag phase followed by acceleration and deceleration and finally reaches a constant. This type of growth is called logistic growth. In logistic growth, that is when the resources are limited, if population density is plotted over time, we will get an S-shaped curve or sigmoid curve. Exponential growth, resources are unlimited. J-shaped curve is obtained when population density is plotted over time. In logistic growth, the resources are limited. S-shaped curve or sigmoid curve is obtained.